Hello everyone, my name is Riti Mayangsari. I am from Department of Interior Design, Petra Christian University, Surabaya, Indonesia. Today, I'm going to present my paper, Space as a Medium for Interior Branding in Commercial and Retail Spaces. Case study, Tiara Handicraft Shop in Surabaya, Indonesia. Commercial and retail space is a space where business or commercial activities are carried out. Space in the context of commercial and promotional activities at the same time can become a branding medium for product and services that become commercial commodities. Why is branding medium so important? As a branding medium, space is very important to be designed by the additional aim of strengthening the branding image, as stated by Clarida that interior design can enforce and strengthen a company brand. Thus, space as an element of interior or commercial interior design can help shape the direction and duration of customer attention, thereby increasing the possibility of sales in addition to its main goal of optimizing commercial activities in it. Branding as an activity is very important to be applied in the interior design of a commercial and retail spaces, so that customers are able to choose a brand compared to other brands. Wheeler described brand identity as an effort used by business people to convey ideas or messages to build brand charm. Wheeler further explained that branding is a process that aims to build customer awareness and trust in a brand. The purpose of this research was to find out how the implementation of interior branding in Tiara Handicraft Store and how space as an interior branding medium can convey an interesting message as a store's uniqueness that distinguishes it from other stores with branding restrictions. There are three main aspects that must be considered by an interior designer when they do branding, namely vision, story, and energy. The clear vision aspect is an aspect related to the clarity of the store's identity and vision. The unique story aspect is the aspect where the unique story or message of store can be conveyed to the visitors through its logo and interior design. And energy aspect is an aspect related to everything that affects the first impression of visitors. This is a diagram of the relationship between interior branding aspect. Every aspect of interior branding are related one to another. The application of the aspect must be balanced. The connection is in terms of implementing the concept of shape, color, and material in an interior. The research used a descriptive qualitative method. Data collection methods were conducted by interview, observation, documentation, literature study, and data analysis in this study uses interior branding according to Kim Catable, clear vision, unique story, and energy. This is case study Tiara Handicraft Shop. Tiara Handicraft Shop is a handicraft store based in Surabaya by empowering people with disabilities as employees in shop. The shop, which was initiated by Titi Winarti, was established in 1995 and has been operating for more than 25 years. This is the interior of Tiara Handicraft. This is the Tiara Handicraft Shop problem statement. Needs of Tiara Handicraft Store. We are focused on signage and branding. Interior design applied interior branding spaces that were designed as branding media and highlight the uniqueness of the space in the interior so that visitors are expected to remember the atmosphere of the interior space because it is different from other stores. And this is the concept of Tiara Handicraft interior design. The Kriya concept designed to create a space atmosphere that can arouse enthusiasm for work and fun, and can encourage employees to work hard and enthusiastically. Customers who come are also expected to feel excited and happy when visiting store and shopping. With the issue of the COVID-19 pandemic, this concept created a room where users in it may able to adapt to the new normal situation, which has many changes with many instructive and educative symbols. The application of branding in the interior will be maximized by applying the three aspects of interior branding: clear vision, unique story, and energy imbalance. Every aspect of interior branding has an interrelated relationship connection. The connection is in terms of the implementation of shapes, colors, and materials. This is the implementation of clear vision. The clear vision aspect is an aspect related to the clarity of the store's identity and vision. The implementation of this clear vision aspect was fairly clear, as can be seen from the placement of the logo and the signage, the organization of the space, and the arrangement of furniture. Like we can see in the figure, the logo was clearly visible in the entrance area and the cashier area, so that visitors know where the sales and cashier areas are. And signage was clearly visible when visitors enter the display room. In front of the entrance, there is a one-way signage as an adaptation of the new normal design due to COVID-19. And implementation of signage as the identity of the production space and the signage of the identity of this area. This is in figure 7, we can see Tiara Handicrafts layout. Yeah. The organization of space is related to the placement of each room, has a function and purpose. This Tiara Handicraft store is connected to the owner's house, but in this design, there was clearly boundaries between the shop and the house. This is the in this figure we can see the implementation of various types of materials, colors in interior of the display room. Interior finishing from ceiling, walls, and interior floors of the Tiara Handicraft store use a lot of different materials and colors in each area. This was designed differently to limit one area to another and make it easier for visitors to know the boundaries of each area as stated by Lawson. That the differences in the shape and material of the walls as well as leveling clarify the boundaries of the area. According to Adi Rizal, manager of Tiara Handicraft store, the word tiara means crown. The simple philosophy is that these stores business can elevate the status of many people and be able to become a source of pride for the people in it. The workers in the shop are disabled. They are educated and trained to make products that are worth selling. Regarding the color of the logo for the owner, there is no particular meaning. The most important being the bright color stands out and is the identity for the store. And this is the front office interior and display room interior. And we can see the unique story aspect is also related in the concept of interior design. Interior design in this store aim to create lively and fun atmosphere successfully filed. Interior concept indirectly affect the shape, color, and material of interior element and to convey messages or stories to visitors. This was achieved by the use of bright color composition and different interiors, furniture, materials, and interior finishing, so that the atmosphere of the space can be pleasantly created. We can see the figure 5, 9. In figure 9, we can see front office and waiting room layout and wall of fame Tiara handicraft. The unique story aspect that stand out the most is in the waiting room, which is a wall of fame Tiara handicraft displaying various awards won by Titi Winarti, a founder of Tiara handicraft. For example, starting from 2005, Hipensa Award by the Minister of Social Affairs of Republic of Indonesia. The award was given for her concern in providing equal opportunities for friends with disabilities. A speaker at the entrepreneurship workshop, award as a speaker at the lecturer gathering, and so on. By knowing what is displayed in this decorative wall, it is hoped that visitor will realize that every item created has its own story. There is a creative process. There are job opportunities for people with disabilities and a call to care socially. Energy aspect is an aspect related to everything that aspect the first impression of visitors. All spaces that visitor will visit were made attractive with various composition of shape, color, and materials not monotone. All room facilities were designed to attract attention and support the comfort of visitors and workers. The convenience factor in this design was not only for visitors, but also for the needs of worker activities, so to increase productivity. This is the differences in the ceiling of each area in the interior of display room. You can see in this ceiling room, the interior of this space appeared interesting, fun, because of the composition of bright colors such as pink, baby blue, yellow, and variety of pattern. The atmosphere of the interior space was created more interesting with the variation of ceiling processing in terms of shape, color, and material. So it was not monotone. The shape of the ceiling in the display area was leveling game with bright and striking color. The brightly colored ceiling area uses spotlight and mirror LED lamps in the shape of a circle that was quite large and attract attention. Visitor eyes were even more spoiled by the ceiling game in the cashier area, which uses MDF board and acrylic sheet with ceiling material. See figure in this figure, you can see the design of ceiling. The lighting in this display room uses natural and artificial lighting. Natural lighting obtained from the entering from the entrance door, windows, and skylight on the ceiling on the cashier area. In figure 12, we can see the interior of workshop room and the interior of production room. The effect of sunlight entering from the window also made this space more attractive and gets good natural lighting. It can be seen that the interior of the workshop and production room also implements a composition of color, pattern, and material, but it is not as lovely as the display room because the function of this space is to study and work, so requires concentration when they are occupying the space. There was no much color combination arrangement on the ceiling in the production room, but it is quite lovely with the presence of the decorative candles. With this pleasant interior atmosphere, it has hope that employees can work well, comfortably, and happily, thus affecting their work productivity. Conclusion: the interior design of the Tiara Handicraft Store has implemented aspects of interior branding, clear vision, unique story, and energy well. The combination of these three aspects in the interior design of the Tiara Handicraft Store helps to form the identity or brand of the store through the media of its interior space. In this design, space as an interior branding medium conveys stories, messages from shop owners to visitors through the atmosphere of the room, logos, signage, and other interior elements such as the wall of the famed Tiara Handicraft decorative wall. By knowing what is displayed on this decorative wall, it is hoped that visitors will realize that every item created has its own story. There is a creative process. There are job opportunities for people with disabilities and a call to care socially. It is the story or message that distinguishes Tiara Handicraft Shop from stores in general. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention.